We do emergency water extraction in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. We specialize in commercial, residential, water damage, and water damage restoration. We do direct insurance billing. Give us a call at 817-945-3707. Or you could look up our website on the internet at waterdamage-24-7.com. Now, we do a direct insurance billing. We use all the insurance companies: State Farm, Allstate, Nationwide, Farmers, Safeco, Travelers, Hartford, Liberty Mutual, AAA, Prudential, USAA, many others. Any of them we'll do direct billing with. Again, give us a call, 817-945-3707, or look up our website at www.waterdamage-24-7.com. Again, we service the complete Metroplex for Dallas and Fort Worth. Give us a call. We have over 14 crews around the Metroplex with over $4 million worth of equipment. So for any of your emergency water extraction needs, anytime, day or night, give us a call. Remember, we specialize in commercial or residential water damage. Doesn't matter how big or how small, we'll take care of your problem for you, and we'll do direct billing with your insurance company. Again, give us a call, 817-945-3707, or call us at www.waterdamage-24-7.com. We have an extensive service area that we work with 14 crews all over the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. So regardless of where you live in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, we'll cover your service area. Again, we have 14 crews available, so we can always get to you, usually within 30 to 60 minutes. Give us a call in the Dallas area, 214-556-3537. Fort Worth area, 817-945-3707, or toll free at 888-222-7066. And remember, we have direct insurance billing. We have 14 crews and over $4 million worth of equipment. So if you have water damage needs, emergency water extraction, give us a call. Again, our website is www.waterdamage-24-7.com. Thank you for looking at our video, and let us take care of your water damage needs.